Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'll show you my favorite way to cook up a bluefin trevally, or Omilu as we call it in Hawaii. And if you like my content, hit a like and stick around for the recipe portion. Okay, so I'm only using half of the fish. The rest will be used for soup. If possible, you want to cut into sandwich-sized fillets and remove the skin and any rib bones. My secret seasoning is a blend of garlic salt, black pepper, dill weed, and chipotle powder. Make sure to catch both sides. Next, completely coat your pieces from top to bottom in potato starch or cornstarch if that's what you have. Now you want to give it an egg wash, coat with panko. I added a pinch of salt and pepper and fresh parsley to mine, but you don't have to. In a heavy pot, bring 2 inches of cooking oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or medium-high heat on your stovetop and slowly add in your fish. And as your fish is frying, you can work on your tartar sauce. Grab a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise, add in some black pepper, along with dill weed and a squeeze of fresh lemon. One tablespoon of sugar, and give that a mix. I like to use this brand of pickles, but you can use any. Grab a handful of them and give them a rough chop. Add it to the mix. Squirt of honey and optional dash of sriracha hot sauce. Mix it well and store it in the refrigerator until it's ready to serve. Alright, in a separate pan or griddle, melt some butter and toast your brioche buns. They are a little expensive but totally worth it. Your fillets will be golden brown in under 10 minutes, so just stick around and let them dry on paper towels for a minute before you dress your sandwich up. I like to lay mine on a bed of lettuce at the bottom, but you can do as you wish. Even if you don't try this recipe, it's a killer tartar sauce for fish sticks as well. Thanks for watching another Dive and Dine. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.